Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 273. AI-generated multi-step form with Copilot. In our last tip, we created a basic form using Copilot. Now, let's look at creating a multi-step form. Unlike with adding a basic form, we use the Copilot pane to create the multi-step form. Click the Data Forms suggestion and choose from the options, or write your own prompt that starts with Create a Form. After clicking Send, Copilot will look through your Dataverse instance and provide options for existing tables that can be used for the form, or allow you to create a new table for this form. This ability to use existing tables is a great enhancement as compared to the Copilot experience for basic forms. Once you choose the table, Copilot will generate a preview of the multi-step form. You can cycle through the steps to see each one. Your options here are to either keep the form as is, or discard it. Unlike the Copilot for basic forms, there is no conversation-style ability to edit what is provided. However, you can provide more details in your original prompt to guide Copilot. For example, you can specify how many steps you want and what each step should contain. Once you are satisfied with your form, click Keep Form. The table will be created if necessary, and the multi-step form will be added to the page. Similar to the Copilot for basic forms, you need to set up permissions manually. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 273 on AI-generated multi-step form with Copilot useful.